Sitakundo. It's situated in Chattogram. I completed my SSC this year, and I called my friend and told we completed our exam, so we go someplace, and they told yes, we go there. And at June 17 we started our journey, and first we go the train station, Komlapur train station, and we collected some ticket and get the train was started at 8 p.m. but one reason train stopped a station, and when I see the station full of army and they check our train, so 3 or 4 hours later our journey again started, and at 6 a.m. we go the station and enjoy sometimes the train station, and then we check out our hotel and sometime rested there, and at 2 or 3 p.m. we go to hill and enjoy sometimes. And this day we stay here, and second day at 7 or 8 a.m. we go Marine Drive Road and buy bike for 3 hours, and we drive this and go 0 point. When we driving the bike Marine Drive Road, we enjoy some moment and pick some photo. Then we came our home, and it's my historical journey because me and my friend, many other friends go there. So assalamu alaikum.